Okay, we're looking at question 10, and it says according to figure 1, so I'm going to come over to the right hand side, the red side, and make sure that I have figure 1 before I do anything. From 1999 to 2004, how did the dry biomasses per plant for the two plots compare? Right, before I lose anything, I'm just going to look at the time scale, and it's 1999 to 2004, so it's the whole thing. We're looking at the whole graph, and it says how did the two biomasses per plant for the two plots compare? All right, so it looks like they're going to ask us how is that and that the same or different? Or the same, they're comparing. The dry biomass per plant grown in CO2 concentration of 377 ppm was. All right, so they're referencing this one, the black square, right? This is the one that's the 337. So this one was what? This right here. This is the one we're looking at. Was always the same as the dry biomass per plant grown in CO2 570. No, it wasn't always the same. This one just goes slightly up like this, and this one is going up, so it's not the same. So that's out. Was always greater than. No, it's below it. It's always less than, but not greater than. So G is out. H, always less than. Okay, there we go. The dry mass per plant grown in CO2, yes, it's always less. Look, it's always under it, right? That's it there, and this one's up here. So it's always less. So I'm keeping that one. And if this was the exam, I would just mark it as H and move on. But just to be thorough, I'm going to look at the last one just to show that H is the right answer. In some years it was greater than, but in other years less than. No, it was never greater than. It never crosses it. It just stays below it all the time. So I'm very confident. My answer is H.